I'm Sean Springs, CEO and founder of Winpack. Winpack is a technology and material data company that focuses on analysis, design, and integration of impact protection solutions. Essentially, what we do is we build padding solutions, working with clients in sports, automotive, and defense to make their products safer. Before I was the CEO and founder of Winpack, I played 13 years in the National Football League. And the reason or my why for starting Winpack is the fact that the helmet I wore while I was playing in the NFL was very similar to the helmet that my father was wearing 20 years earlier. And with all the athletes and some of friends of mine and some of my family friends, my father's friends that I saw play in the NFL as well, they struggled with the effects of traumatic brain injury. I wanted to make sure that my sons and the next generation of athletes could be more protected. There was a foundation of Winpack, and it all started with our intellectual property. Our Crash Cloud, which is one of our main solutions today, we like to say is a unique combination of really a polyurethane and a material inside of the bag. On low and medium impacts, it's soft, but if you punch it, it tightens up and it's hard. And the reason why we've probably had a lot of success is because the intellectual property that's around that technology is unique and proprietary to us, and it gives us a competitive advantage. So when we're talking with our clients, whether it's in baseball or the Department of Defense here in the United States, that's important for those groups and companies that we work with to understand that not only is it a great technology and it performs well, but it is protected as well. Like many other companies, I realized as a founder, in order for us to effectively scale and be protected while growing, and we needed to take a full advantage of our intellectual property. I think most companies don't realize at the early stages when you're trying to start a company that one of the things that's really critical is to think through that portfolio of patents that you're trying to grow, because without that protection and without that strategic thought in mind that, hey, we have this valuable information and we want to grow it, if you're not thinking about that strategy along the way of just thinking about you're going to grow, you could find yourself in a difficult position later on as your company gets bigger, because eventually your competition they're going to say, well, if this company is having success, what are they doing? Are they protected? They're looking at their patents. So one of the things that every company, and I encourage all the entrepreneurs out there to make sure that as they're thinking about new designs, new technologies, or whatever is in their development process or software development, whatever it is, hardware, software process, to make sure that it aligns with your IP strategy, because that could be the critical difference in your business and could also be the thing that takes you to the next level and puts you in the best position.